What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel, the Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about how to make money online daily. So today I'm going to talk about how you can make money just by testing software and apps, okay? But before I proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily nowadays. So let's check it out and what this is all about. As you can see on the screen here, this is called usertesting.com. okay, this is where you can join to test the product and get paid for every product you tested. Like, you have to write the reviews and stuff like that to get paid. Okay, so let's check it out what it's all about. The top brands want to hear from you, get paid to share your opinions and experiences, make things you care about better. You can apply here. Okay, you just have to put your email address here and then you can apply, and just you have to check this button if you want to apply here, okay, as a tester. Now, how it works: influence the biggest brands and latest technologies and innovative companies while earning a little extra, spending money in your spare time. Sign up. You have to sign up for an account, like apply to join our global community by taking a sample test. First, you will be provided with a sample test. You have to provide feedback and reviews on the product that you love and use every day, and you will get paid $10 for every 20 minutes. But that is, you will get paid for testing apps over and over and over and again as you continue to test more apps. Okay, so that's simple. It works really simple, right? And even for interviews, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. Make your voice heard. Okay, best in class companies rely on. Okay, these are the companies, as you can see: Facebook, Wayfair, CBS, Adobe, and Alaska, Ford. All of these companies acquire testers from these services, like usertesting.com. So already 300,000 tests have been taken. Okay, already, wow, in a year there's so many participants, 35,000 plus brand influenced. Okay, so these are the testimonials that people have sent you. I have been very pleased overall with my experience with user testing. So as you can see, it really has good testimonials, and you can join it today. Now, before I proceed with all this stuff, we need to take a look at some of the most important thing in my videos, right? Whether if it has any PayPal payout or not. The PayPal is very important for us. Let's take a look. Okay. What do I need? What do you really need? You need an internet connection, or like a phone or a laptop, and reliable internet connection, at least 2 Mbps. Okay, so a microphone and ability to download the screen recorder. Okay, they will provide you with a specialized screen recorder, not your own screen recorder. Okay, you must be at least 18 years old. That means you must be an adult, and you should be able to speak English. Okay, allowed. And that's all. These are the only requirements. So what is the application process? And you have to enter the email at the top of the page and complete a sample test. Now, once the sample test is complete, once approved successfully, then you can take real tests and earn real money. That's where it comes, right? So you have to go through an interview, so a small interview. If you're really eligible for the work, you'll be easily accepted into this website. Okay. Now, how do you get paid? Look at this. We pay our test participants via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account. Obviously, you probably have a verified PayPal account. So make sure your PayPal account is verified. So there will be no problem in receiving money via PayPal, and it's one of the best and convenient way to get paid. Okay. So how much money can you make? So applying to become test, you can is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the site. The number of purchases you receive will depend on the companies looking for participants with your experiences. That's it. That means you can earn as low like $10 for every 20 minutes, and maybe you will be able to make $50 or $100. It is not a lot of money, but it's a side hustle kind of thing. So you can give it a try and see if it works for you. And also if this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily nowadays regarding how to make money online. And also, as a disclaimer, this process may or may not work for you. Okay, I recommend you to give it a try and see if it works for you, but there's no guarantee you will make any money from it by following this method. That's what I say in every single videos as a disclaimer. So that's what I say. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this you have enjoyed this video too, and see you again in the next video with another how to make money online videos. See ya.